Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix number keys not working in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a simple problem and I give the simple solution to fix this simple problem. First, go to the start and here type settings. Click on the settings. Here we find settings. In settings, here we find many options. Go to here, accessibility. Click on the accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down and here we find mouse. Click on the mouse. In mouse, here we find mouse key. Use your numeric keypad to move your mouse pointer. This is our problem. Unselect this or off this. Make sure of this. And after that, go to your keyboard and check your number key is working or not. It's 110% working. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.